Welcome to Mariner's Point. A coil of resistance 10 ohm and inductance 100 microhenry is connected in series with two parallel capacitors. Each of the value 100 across a 250 volt and 50 hertz supply. We have to calculate circuit current, total power factor, power taken from the supply. Three things we have to find. You can see on the screen question diagram. Now the resistance is given, inductance is given, and capacitor is given. As we know that when two capacitors are parallel, then equivalent capacitor is C1 plus C2. Then equivalent capacitor here 100 plus 100, that is 200, which we converted into farad. Now supply is given 250 and frequency is given 50 hertz. Resistance is given, inductance is given. We already converted into Henry. Okay. Now first we have to calculate the reactance. As we know that angular frequency formula is omega is equal to 2 pi into frequency. Frequency is given, then we will get angular frequency. Now 1 by V1, we will calculate inductive reactance and capacitive reactance. So inductive reactance formula XL is equal to omega L and XC is equal to 1 by omega C. So here Excel we will simple here we have to put value L we know, omega we already calculated. Similarly capacitive reactance we will calculate 1 by omega C total, which is total equivalent. Then we will get equivalent. Now net reactance in series, that means reactance, that is inductive reactance plus capacitive reactance. Which one is greater? We will subtract from that. Then equivalent reactance is XL minus XC. Then we will get in net reactance. Net reactance we will get. Now circuit impedance. For this we will calculate mode of this. Then we will get mode Z is equal to under root R square plus X square. R value, that is resistance value, X is uh, net impedance. Then we will get circuit impedance and for circuit current I is equal to V by R. Here resistance is replaced by impedance. Combination of resistance, capacitance, and inductance. So we will get current and circuit impedance. Next, power factor. Formula for power factor is cos pi is equal to R by Z. Resistance we will get, mode Z we will get, we will get power factor simply. And here inductive is more, so it is in power factor. If capacitive is more, then it is in leading factor. Now real power taken from supply, we will get formula power is equal to VI cos phi. Voltage we know, current we already calculated, and cos phi ever we calculated. So we will get real power which is equal to 1.837 kilowatt.